Hey guys, welcome back to Slime Queen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a clear slime. And for this slime, you're going to need some clear glue, some water, and I'm just using a blue Tide. And you're going to need a mixing tool and food coloring. Food coloring is optional though, so yeah. First, you're going to want to add in your Elmer's glue. Then I'll be taking some orange food coloring, and mine is gel. You don't really need gel, but I'm just telling you that. And you want to put a drop of food coloring in your glue. I'm actually going to be adding 2 drops because my Tide is blue, and I don't want my slime to turn a bluish color. So yeah, and then you're going to want to mix that together. So I mix that together, and that kind of reminds me of like an orange syrup. Comment down below what this reminds you of. And then you're going to want to add a little bit of your water. And then you're going to want to mix it. So I mix it all together, and then you're going to want to add little by little Tide. And once you add little drops of Tide, you want to add tiny drops of Tide to keep your color, unless you do a blue, then you can add a little bit more. But I'm doing tiny drops, and then you're going to want to mix that really well every time you add a little bit of drop of Tide. You know when your slime is done, when it starts to come off the bowl, it's okay if it turns kind of this whitish color. Just wait like 2 to 5 days or 3 days, depending, and it will turn back into clear slime. You just have to put it in an airtight container. And so once it's like this, I forgot to mention, you can pour it out on the table and play with it until it gets your slime consistency you like. If you want yours thicker, then you can just add some more Tide, and yeah. Here's what your slime should look like when it's done. It should be a little bit sticky. You can see as my hands should be a little bit sticky. And then you're going to want to put it in a container for 2 to 5 days, which I'm probably going to let it sit for 3 days. And I added a few more drops of food coloring just to make it a little bit more orange, and I'll put it in the container. So I put my slime into a container, and now I'll see you when it's been 2 to 5 days. So this is how the slime turned out. It's like a dark color, but it's really stretchy. And I'm just gonna add some of this scent into it. Tangerine. So this smells like really good. This is supposed to smell like oranges. And so thanks for watching. Bye.